Cybersecurity is one of the hottest fields right now, and there are hundreds of thousands of unfilled jobs. And anybody who has a computer and an email knows that there's all kinds of vulnerabilities. Businesses have real liabilities about this, that it can cost you millions of dollars for a hack. So we need two kinds of folks in the cybersecurity world. We need the people that understand the technology in a very deep way, and we also need people that are capable of managing that. We're really short on the number of folks that can manage this. Now, they have to know something about the technology, of course, and there's plenty of that in this program. But what we are aiming for are people who are going to be leaders in that field. So what we're doing is we're having a mix of the technological end of it and an understanding of how that function operates within an organizational environment. The beauty of a program like this is that you're not limited to a particular industry. I can't think of a single industry or type of business that doesn't have cybersecurity threats. So you get to choose your industry, really, especially in this environment where there are more jobs than there are people to fill those jobs. Our goal is to not only prepare people for their first job, the first 5 years out of school, but we know that our graduates are going to be professionally active for 50 or 60 years. And we believe that the totality of our education, not just the technical aspects of it, but the organizational aspects and the liberal arts aspects, are going to prepare them to be able to change as the environment in which they're working changes. We want to make sure that the investment that they make here at St. Norbert in the cybersecurity major, or frankly any other major, that it pays off over the course of their entire career.